Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator, and we're back with another video. I want to be talking about my skincare for a little bit because I haven't been on this channel in a while, and I want to apologize for that because number one, I really want to focus on this channel. I really want to continue making this channel more greater. We do have some new subscribers, and I want to say thank you for subscribers to the channel, as well as the main channel as well. I'm almost up to my 100 subscriber goal on that channel, as well as this channel here. And I want to talk about what I've been doing as far as my skin is concerned. I actually finished doing a Twitch makeup tutorial on my channel for the first time. If you would like that video, if it's not gone yet, because it hasn't been, I think it has been at least 2 weeks, you can go ahead and check that out. If not, I'll just do the look on here. I'm not sure, but yes, this that's in this bottle is a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a really good deep cleansing and astringent. Sorry, I've been using this for quite a while for prepping up my skin and cleaning up my skin when I do my makeup now, and it's been really good to me, and I actually been liking it. Another thing that I've been using as far as like makeup is concerned, as far as my brushes is concerned, is dish liquid soap. I've been wanting to just use, something other than antiseptic, and I tried the antiseptic method by itself, but I do believe that if you use it with soap, it'll probably work better because antiseptic by itself, it doesn't clean the brushes properly to me. Just to me. So yeah, I'm so happy that I have this because I've been wanting to use this soap again for a while. And no more nails. As you can see, this is just from the bottle because this used to be the old water bottle I used to drink from. No more nails, and actually, I have been getting used to wearing my nails because I've been actually using clear nail polish to protect me from the nail glue that I've been using. Where is that nail glue at? Here it is. This is Eden's One Drop Professional Nail Glue. This is $1.20. And speaking of doing more better things, I've actually set up a little area over there that I've cleaned up. I decided to clean up over there finally so I can do a little something over there. And I'm actually going to be making a wig. I'm not sure when I'll be doing it. It depends on when the stuff will get here. But yeah, I'll be making a wig. It won't be as long. It'll probably just be like a short-haired wig. That's if I have enough hair for it. If I don't, I'll probably either have to buy some online, and that'll pretty much be that. But yeah, nails, skin, that's been covered. Hair has been covered. I have not been doing any reviews on this channel, and the reason why I haven't been doing any reviews on this channel is because I wanted to kind of slow the reviewing and unboxing packages down a little bit so that I can actually really try looking at the product instead of just being like, okay, here it is, and I haven't tested out the product yet. So I would love to do like after I open the product and try it out, I would love to do a review on it after I test it out, like within a few days and not like within a few weeks or months. I want to go back to when I was thinking about using the hot body cream. It has been a year, and I wanted to do a video on that. That'll probably be a separate video. 9 times out of 10, I will actually work on that video separately and go further from there. But it will not be on the actual date that I did the review for the hot body cream, the before use video for the hot body cream. It'll actually be sometime around, let's see, checking on my calendar. We are currently this is currently Monday the 5th, so I might do it sometime around the 8th, which is a Thursday, or the 7th, which is a Wednesday. So between 7th and the 8th, I will do the what I think about this cream review. Just like a basis of how the cream has really helped me, you know, now that I'm actually back on it and doing it more better. And I actually updated. Oh, it's in here. Okay. I actually updated how I wrap my body while using this hot cream. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to doing that. But yep, I am so looking forward to being back on this channel more more attentive to the channel, as I should say. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share the video. Click the notification bell where you're notified of all of my videos. And I will see you all next time.